Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here click accounts, click on it, and here you will find email, click on it, and now just enter your email, your new email, and click change email, and this will be changed. And that's how to change email on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.